Hello everyone, on holiday third New Year, we always have rice cakes. Today I'm making colorful three-color rice cake. Please come to the kitchen with me, I will show you how. Welcome to Saigon Cook Travel, I am Saigon Cook. If you're new to my channel, please like, share my videos and subscribe. That means a lot to me. You are the reason I'm here. Thank you. So I have 300 grams of rice, sticky rice. I soak 6 to 8 hours and after that wash and drain. Now I extract the green color all naturally. So I have pandan leaves, about 4 or 5 of them, and 30 galangal leaves. The pandan for the smell, for the aroma, but the color, the green color, is actually came from galangal. Because you can do spinach, but or you can do pandan alone, but when you cook, the green color will be fade, not so vibrant. So I cut the leaves in small pieces and I add some water. You can see I don't add a lot of water here, although a lot of water will help, but I have a Vitamix very strong, so I can puree with less water. And after I ground it, I squeeze and get these for to grind the next batch. And then I let all of them sit for 5-6 hours or overnight to get the concentrate at the bottom. You can see this is the one that very vibrant color. Now let's do the red. This is gut fruit. If you don't know, you can Google it, and I will try to find a picture of gut fruit and both here for you to see. I need only 2 tablespoons of that, and I will add 1 tablespoon of vodka. With the addition of vodka, it will keep the color vibrant. So I mix it around and I will use a stick blender to puree it. I don't mind to get a few bits big into the mixture, because when you mix it with rice, it will look nice, and gut is a superfood and it's very good for you. So no matter that you can eat it or not, you eat it. So after I mix the color, I add some salt to it, and I do this for every color. Now let's do the purple color. I have 2 tablespoons of butterfly pea flowers. I have dry, and I add about 2-3 tablespoons of boiling hot water to extract the color. I let it steep for 5 minutes or 10, and the color I will get is, the initial color looks blue. You can see, but when you cook it, it becomes purple. So purple or blue to me is okay. Now I have 3 colors mixed in with rice. I have 2 cups of washed drained rice with mixing the color. Now I use a quarter of the can for each batch and 2 tablespoons of coconut cream. And then I add my color rice into here. And at first you can see a lot of water, but you cook until there is no water left, like so. Let me use the spoon and put it down for you to see at the bottom. No liquid left. That's what you want. You do the same with the green color. See, no water at the bottom. That when you're done with it, you take it out and do the red. Do the same thing. Coconut in, rice in, cooked until no water left. You can use bigger pan, but I'm okay with the small one like so. And that's it. I have 3 colors rice ready for making the rice cake. So I will spread my color rice, cooked rice for you to see, and then you need to come back to watch the next video because I will finish the rice cake on the next video, because this video already long. I don't want to hold you too long. You can see when I done cooking it become purple. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. See you soon. Bye bye.